Desember 2012 lalu, pesawat Lion Air juga sempat tergelincir di Bandara Supadio Pontianak, Kalimantan Barat. Sebelumnya pada 23 Oktober 2011, pesawat Lion Air juga membawa 197. Pada 30 November 2004, pesawat Lion Air dengan jenis MD-82 tergelincir di Bandara Adi Sumarno, Solo. Peristiwa naas ini mengakibatkan 10 orang tewas dan 23 orang lainnya mendapatkan perawatan intensif. Pesawat diterbangkan dengan tujuan Jakarta menuju Surabaya dengan transit di Solo. Penumpang juga tergelincir di Bandara Sepingan, Balikpapan, Kalimantan Timur. Dalam kedua peristiwa tersebut, seluruh penumpang selamat.
When an airliner crashes, the consequences can be catastrophic. Carrying such large numbers of people means the death toll is often horrifying. In that single terrible moment, hundreds of lives can be lost. For many, this danger preys on the mind every time they fly. Yet air travel is now our safest mode of transportation. The modern airliner is designed, tested, and built to protect its human cargo. This is the story of how scientists have crashed and burned their way through some of the most sensational experiments in the history of crash testing to try and ensure your next flight is a safe one. Flying has become a part of everyday life. 1.5 billion people travel by plane every year. To meet this demand, designers and engineers are building a new generation of bigger, better airplanes, capable of flying more people than ever before. At Airbus Industries, they've just built the largest passenger plane, the Airbus A380, capable of flying a maximum of 850 passengers. Inside, there's room for 10 squash courts. The fuel capacity is equivalent to 21 road tankers, and the takeoff weight is 560 tons, heavier than a 10-car passenger train. Impressive specifications, and at the heart of the design of this Titan of the skies is an unshakable commitment to safety.
We have an obligation to make sure that we've done everything possible to design, to manufacture, and to support in operations the safest aircraft possible.
Today's planes are safer thanks to decades of work in the field of crash science. Over the years, pioneers in engineering and safety innovation have crashed millions of dollars worth of aircraft. And they've even experimented on themselves to find new ways to save life. Each step along the way, their results have been fed into the design and construction of newer.
الحدود الروسية على متنها 280 مسافرا و15 شخصا تابعين لطاقم الطائرة. البوينغ 777 كانت تحلق على ارتفاع 10,000 كيلومتر ساعة وقوع الحادث، حيث كانت قادمة من أمستردام باتجاه كوالالمبور. على تويتر أعلنت شركة الخطوط الماليزية أنها فقدت الاتصال مع الرحلة.